Yes, beta, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good
See,
morning, ma'am.
yes, dear, the latest paper that we have from CBSE, the pattern. Just read the first question, children. Just read this paragraph.
Ma'am, will
Yes.
the midterms be subjective or objective?
Midterms will be entirely subjective. And the main exam that you have, which is being your board actually in November, that is entirely MCQs objective. So I'm preparing you more for that. So that is actually your board. I hope you know about it, that the board is now divided into two parts.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
so these are going to be your board exams actually, beta. The ones that we have in last week of November. So it's better we prepare for that. These are going to be entirely subjective, no objective questions. Just read the first paragraph.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, in this half yearly, ma'am, whole chapter is coming. No topic is removed or cut.
Ma'am, only the syllabus which is issued by the CBSE is coming, or the deleted portion is also coming?
Yes, Piche. Finished reading?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Ma'am, done.
Only one child is saying yes. So I was just wondering, what about others? Have you read? I just told you to read, beta. Have you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Guess the answer for the first part.
Ma'am,
Have you
option number
read?
B.
Yes. Come on, children. Only one child is speaking. Why so? Yes, what about others? Only one child is giving the answer.
Option A.
Two cell stages and 60% of angiosperms. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Only this is correct.
No, ma'am. C.
Then also the 3-cell stage in 40% of angiosperm.
Beta, A and C
Option
both are
D.
correct. So we should take it as option D. Very nice. Both are correct. Okay, tell me the second one. I'll post this PDF on the group also today. Please prepare your answers. Keep writing the answers side by side. And the PDF will be posted. This PDF does not have answers. So I'll just post the PDF and answers you keep writing with you just now in your notebooks so that you can keep revising this chapter PDFs. Give me the answer to the second one. Any guesses?
Ma'am, one meiosis followed by two mitosis.
No. Any other
ma'am.
answer?
Ma'am, A option.
No.
Ma'am, option C. One mitotic division.
No, this is also not correct. Now what is left?
D1.
Option D is left.
Only D is left. So it's two mitotic divisions. A fully developed male gametophyte in an angiosperm is formed from a microspore. So from a microspore, when you develop it's a male gametophyte, it's just two mitotic divisions. Let's see this. This is easier one. Refer to the figure of the pollen grain given below. Identify the parts. This is easy. And they've given you clues also over here. Yes. Tell me out of A, B, C, D, which is the first one? It is made up of highly resistant organic material. A, B, C, or D?
Ma'am, D.
Hmm.
D.
Yes, it is D, beta. Very good. Outermost. So this is D. Okay. Tell me the next one. Is it D? Sure. I doubt this is correct.
Ma'am, D. First one.
D beta, you people are not confident this shows. As soon as I confuse you, you get confused. D is the correct answer. Okay, see this D. Highly resistant organic material. Tell me the second one, spindle shaped in outline, then cytoplasm with a prominent nucleus.
A.
A.
Absolutely correct.
A.
It is A. Very good, it's A. Vacuolated cytoplasm and an irregularly shaped nucleus.
B.
C.
Yes, it is C. Very good. And of course, the last one made up of pectin and cellulose.
Ma'am,
B.
C is the inner layer, and B is the cytoplasm.
Beta, we're talking about this. It has vacuolated cytoplasm and an irregularly shaped nucleus. Irregularly shaped nucleus will be where?
Along the sides.
Children, minor network issues this side. By the way, what is this? This is what? Though it's not very clear the diagram, but what is it? Yes. What is this figure?
Pollen.
Hmm. Though it's not very clear. So let's leave if it's not very clear. Let's move on to this. Tell me which is the incorrect statement about sporopollenin. Incorrect. Read the question very carefully. I'm not asking correct. I'm asking incorrect. Read and tell me.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am, C. XII has apparatus.
D.
Example.
D says
Ma'am, D.
sporopollenin can withstand high
C.
temperatures, not actually strong acids. It can actually
C.
withstand acids also. Okay, this one is correct. D is absolutely correct. If you remember, sporopollenin is so strong that it can withstand the action of acids also. And here they are saying it cannot withstand the action of acids. So this is wrong. About sporopollenin, this is wrong. Which of the parts A, B, C, or D in the question above give rise to the male gamete? Tell me. Which one will give rise to the male gamete? A, B, C, D. Which one?
A.
Ma'am,
Yes.
A. Two male
Very good.
gametes.
A. See, although this figure is not clear, why I've taken up this one again is that you should know that this is how diagrammatically based questions are very important. So please do the diagrams very nicely. This we have done many times. Please read this paragraph and then let's ready for the answer. Be ready. Read the paragraph quickly. Let's be ready. Observe the diagram. Yes. Beta, have you
Yes,
seen the
ma'am.
diagram? See why this is taken up, but please remember how the questions can come from diagrams. Identify, label, and name of the part by which the ovule is attached to the placenta. See, this is the figure. I'll show you the figure and I'll show you the question. Tell me the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, topics which are deleted will also be asked in half-yearly exams.
No, they
That
will not be asked.
30%.
I just clarified this, that they will not be asked. According to the syllabus prescribed by CBSE, why should I waste your time? When it comes to teaching, it's okay, fine, because later also you have to appear for exams. But for assessment, we will not include any topic which is deleted. Why should we waste your time in studying what is not going to come in November? Primary focus is November. That is your board beta. So focus more on these. Only the portion which is prescribed by CBSE. Can I have the answer for this? Name of the part by which the ovule is attached to the placenta?
A. Phylum.
Is it so? No, this is not correct. Children, this shows that with diagrams you're not prepared at all. I don't think you're practicing diagrams at all.
Ma'am,
Yes,
F.
anyone?
Funicle.
Yes, it is.
Funicle.
Never mind if you have not prepared. It's not too late to start. I'll post this PDF on the group. Keep writing the correct answers when we are discussing and be ready with the same PDF next time. When I take it up after I finish all the chapters, I'll again take up this one. So what is the answer for the first one? Tell me quickly.
Option D.
It's this, funicle. Okay. B1. Okay, let's come to this. Part B in the diagram represents, please see the figure. This is part B. Can be? Now tell me, what does it represent? Nucellus, whose cells store reserve food material. or the endosperm, whose cells store reserve food material, nucellus, which may remain as perisperm, or both A and C. You have to identify which part.
Both B and
Part
C.
B. Please see the. Yes.
Both A and
Okay, your friend says both A and C. Anyone else has a different answer? She's absolutely correct. Very good. It is both A and C. Very good, beta. The basal part of the ovule is third answer. We did this micropylar end and
Micropyle.
basal part. Basal part.
Option C.
Yes, chalaza. This is the
Chalaza.
option. This the micropylar end. The basal part is what we call as the chalaza. Now the fourth one, the inner integument is represented by. Tell me the answer to the fourth one.
Ma'am, A.
Any other answers? It is B, beta. The inner integument over here is represented by D, and
Ma'am,
this is
D.
going to develop into what? What will this develop into?
Testa.
Tegment.
Tegment.
Yes, this will develop into tegment. Never mind, we'll take it up again after a few minutes. Label C in the diagram represents.
Ma'am, which one will develop into testa then?
You see? See the diagram? Tell me which one will develop into testa. D is developing into what? Just now we said now. What did we say? Which part? We said the D is going to develop into tegment. This one, D. So now tell me which one will develop into testa?
E.
Diagram's not
E.
at all prepared. Yes. Testa outer or tegment outer?
Tegment outer.
Gee, you people are not.
Testa is out.
Yes. This shows that you people are not prepared with the diagrams. I'll see if I can make a PDF of only diagrams and discuss with you again and again. Up to 3 days, let me take that part only. As of now, since I put this PDF, let me go ahead with this. Otherwise, I'll take up these diagrams and explain again to you. Let's have one session of this only tomorrow. As of now, let's do this only today. D, this one is going to develop. The outer one will develop into testa. That is the E1. Label C in the diagram represents what? Tell me this one. This C. Tell me. See the options and tell me the correct answer.
Both B and C.
B is embryo sac that has all haploid nucleates. This is correct. And 7-celled and 8 nucleate. Yes, beta. Very good. Both B and C. So can I have a revision very quickly? Identify and label the name of the part by which the ovule is attached to the placenta.
Unicle.
Funicle.
Then we already run this. Can we have this? The basal part of the ovule is?
Chalaza.
Chalaza.
And this one
Chalaza.
represents. Let's come to this now. I think I need to take up this topic with diagrams again with you people. Just read the third question. Just seeing how much you have prepared. Finished reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Others? Tell me the answer to the first one. The wall of the ovary develops into what?
Pericarp.
Pericarp.
Excellent. Very good. Excellent. It's pericarp. Which among the following is a true fruit as well as a parthenocarpic fruit? True also, parthenocarpic also.
Banana.
Anyone
Strawberry.
else?
Apple.
Yes, it is apple. Apple is a true fruit also. And what is it? It's a parthenocarpic. What is a parthenocarpic fruit? Apple is correct.
The fruits which are not developed by fertilization.
Okay. So do you think apple is the correct answer?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Very good. It is the wrong answer. Good that you people are not getting confused. Tell me what is the correct answer. You did give me the correct answer.
Banana.
Yes, it is.
Banana.
Yes, it is banana. But because I did not say yes, immediately you people change and move on to strawberry. So be confident, beta. It is banana only. Banana is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is true for parthenocarpy? Read and tell me which one is true. I think statement questions you are able to answer. Diagram part, you people are not very confident. We'll work on that.
Ma'am, all of these.
Option D, all of these.
Excellent, excellent, beta. Very good. Development of fruit without fertilization. Auxins and gibberellins help us. This clue was given in the paragraph also. And they're seedless. So all of these is correct. Okay, now see the fourth one. Figure given above is what? Identify. Diagrams you people are lacking somewhere.
Ma'am, false
Identify.
fruit of strawberry.
Option A.
Ma'am, B.
Yes. Anyone else? Any answers? Parthenocarpic fruit of strawberry or false fruit of strawberry?
False fruit.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me.
Option.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one? A or B?
B.
B.
Yes. Very good. Very good. It's false fruit. This is how it should be. You should not get confused. Identify this. So this is correct. False fruit. Identify the false fruits among the following and select the correct options. I'm giving you a second. Please identify.
Ma'am, D option. A, E, and F.
Excellent.
Option.
A, E, and F. Very good. Cashews, apples, and strawberries. Very nice. False fruit. So what is the correct option? Tell me. Come on, everyone. Yes, it is D. So if you learn it, it's going to be cashews, apples, and
Strawberries.
okay, this is your fourth question. The picture, if you see this Camelina plant, two types of bisexual flowers it has. An adaptation for assured seed set and genetic variation in the progeny. Two other plants which also bear these two types of bisexual flowers on the same plant.
Oxalis and viola.
Did you understand?
Ma'am,
Yes.
D option.
Excellent. It is oxalis and viola. Very, very nice. Oxalis and viola. Those who are not prepared can keep learning and keep writing the answers because PDF will be posted, but there are no answers. The type of pollination that can occur in the flower A. Let me show you the flower. Which type of pollination is possible in the flower A? Let me
Ma'am,
show you
can
the
you-
option.
Ma'am, all of these.
Perfect bit. See the location
of
of A. Very good. If you see the location of A, all can be possible. Autogamy can be possible, heterogamy can be possible, xenogamy can also be possible. Very nice. The type of pollination which can occur in the flower type B. Please see the location.
Autogamy.
Progress.
Yes, beta. Where was I? I was doing this. B, I was showing you the location of the flower B. And I asked you about the pollination mode in B.
Ma'am, autogamy.
Very good. Autogamy. Can you tell me why? The
Ma'am,
answer is
it is a
absolutely
crisogamous flower.
very good. Very good. Excellent. Well prepared. Okay. The conditions necessary for autogamy and plasmogamous bisexual flowers is Tell me the conditions. I'm showing you all.
Ma'am,
See,
D.
beta, if you're not. Yes,
Ma'am, D option, both A and B.
perfectly correct. If you're not able to answer these questions, that means you're lacking somewhere in your preparation. Please start preparing. As many MCQs you come across, prepare them. Luck favors at times. You don't know. Same question at jayega. And from one question, you have 4, 4, 5 parts. So one question means you're getting 5 marks from one. So please don't ignore any MCQ PDFs that are posted in any subject. Very nice, Bache. The last one here. The genetically different types of pollen grains land on the stigma of the flower in the case of. This is the answer. Different
Both
pollens.
A and B. Wo, Geton Gammy.
Yes, beta, tell me different types of pollen grains land on the stigma of the flower. Different pollen grains can land. So which game is it?
Ma'am, option B.
Ma'am, Xenogamy.
Hmm? Yes, it is xenogamy. One of the friends is gatonogamy. So we have to decide between B and C now. Which one you think is the correct answer? C is the correct
Xenogamy.
answer. Can you tell me why did you go for xenogamy? Why not gatonogamy?
Ma'am, Gaton-Gammy is also a type of self-pollination which can occur between the same species of the flower, whereas Xenogamy can occur between different species, and here it is asking for different types of pollen.
Very good, excellent. If you see, gatonogamy is a type of self-pollination. And here the clue is very easily, very clearly given that different pollens can land. So obviously it cannot be self-pollination. So it has to be xenogamy. Very good, very confident, very nicely prepared. Others not confident, sorry to say that. It's high time, please start preparing. Please read question number 5 quickly. Then let's decide the answers.
Ma'am, read.
Okay, beta, let's give 1 second to others. Have you finished reading, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Network issues at my place today. Yes, beta. Zygote stars. Have you read this? Should I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
In the given figure, identify and name the cotyledon that is well developed and functional. You have the options over here. I hope you read this and you've seen the figure. Give me the answer to the first one.
Ma'am, D scutellum.
B.
Scutellum.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other answers? Absolutely correct. See, this is the confidence we should have. Scutellum is absolutely correct. Cotyledon, which is well developed and functional, it is scutellum. In an angiosperm embryo, the portion of the embryonal axis above the point of attachment of cotyledons is called what? Just read the question carefully and then answer.
Ma'am, B epicotyle.
Absolutely correct. Excellent. It's epicotyle. Identify and name the part that represents the second cotyledon that is rudimentary in the monocot embryos. Second cotyledon, which is rudimentary in monocots. This shows functions are not prepared properly. Otherwise, you could have identified. Let me show you the options. Yes, now identify. Identify.
Ma'am, D epiblast.
Yes, beta, excellent. It is D, epiblast. The label B in the diagram represents what? Please see the diagram and answer. What does it represent?
C coleoptile.
Excellent. It's coleoptile. So this is what the preparation is. If at all you have done the diagrams and you've done the functions, you could have answered. Children, all those children who are ignoring diagrams, please don't do this because direct questions will not be asked on functions. They're giving functions or they're giving characteristic features and you have to relate it. Excellent, Bacha. Tell me the fifth part now, the last one of this question.
Ma'am, C option coleoptile and coleorhiza.
Excellent. Found in monocots, but not found in dicot embryos. Very nice. It's coleoptile and coleorhiza. Others are not prepared. This shows very clearly that they're not prepared. Read the sixth question paragraph now. Only one child is confident. Others, beta, what happened here? Sorry to say, you've not done the diagram seriously. Finished it.
Ma'am, red.
Yes, beta, you've read. What about others? Anyways, let's see if you can at least try answering even if you're not confident. Yes, what is the answer to the first question? In angiosperms, just 5 chapters, beta, and not confident. Very sad.
Ma'am, D
Speak.
option. Both male and female gametes are non.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. Both of them are non-motile. Now also I'm saying write down the answers. I'll post the PDF. Still, if you're not doing it, then beta, what to say? Yes, bache, second one.
Ma'am, autogamy.
Yes, beta. Now don't tell me that you do not know this answer also. Same flower. Obviously, it is autogamy. Third one, beta.
Gitangami.
Genetically similar type of pollen grains of the same species. Land on the
Option
stigma.
B.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, Gitangami.
Option B.
Yes, option D is absolutely correct. Because similar type of pollen grains, it can be autogamy, it can be geitonogamy, or it can be clustogamy. Good. Can I have this answer? Which among the following is not responsible for inbreeding depression? This is
Xenogamy.
easy. Very good. Xenogamy. Excellent. It's xenogamy. No genetic variations can occur in the progeny in case of?
All of these.
Very good. All of these. Obviously, we cannot have. Why don't we have genetic variations in these?
Ma'am, because the species is same of the flowers.
Yes, beta. So we cannot have any variations in this case. Too good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
can you revise the third one of the sixth one only? Sixth passage.
Question number 6. Just I'll move on to question number 6. You were talking about question number 6?
Yes, ma'am. Third option, third part.
For it's related to pollination? Yes. Read the question. I'm giving you time. Then we'll discuss. Don't worry. Read the questions. And then after you read the question, explain the meaning to me. What does it say? We had 2 people giving 2 different answers. So let us tell them to justify. Yes, beta.
Autogamy.
Huh. So one person said all of these, one person says autogamy. Now
Ma'am,
please justify.
all of these will be the
Justify.
correct answer.
Acha. Now you got it. All of these. Satisfied? Why? Can I have the reason behind it?
Yes, ma'am, because in all the three options, the